Nice, Bucky.
I'm shooting.
Damage him, don't kill him so he gets the reset.
Shooting them.
I'm gonna shove them all into the back corner there.
Mag one, mag one.
Spider-Man's above our head.
Push hard.
Good stagger on Rocket.
We have some 3 points.
Spidey-Man's up here. I pulled him back, I pulled him back in. He's really weak, he's standing in my little bubble.
Oh, look, he's gonna be dead. Right.
I'm shoving them back a little bit. I don't think they can touch now. No Spider-Man touches. Nice. Good job. Can we walk up and take the corner, the flat part of the corner here? Just on the floor. I know, but we need the space on the corner. Just at 3 and 3. Just put 3 and 3. Put 1 tank, 1 DPS, 1 support. Tank 1 DPS, 1 support. That's fine. I'm gonna pull the mag. Just this first corner right here is good. And then once we push up, it's just so we don't get held like we just did on that last corner for a little bit. I'm gonna shove them back. 1, 2, 3. I got ult. Stay in the ult, stay in the ult, stay in the ult, stay in the ult.
Oh, support, support. Rocket, rocket, rocket.
Star-Lord's up.
I'm alone.
Spidey.
It's okay.
It's okay, they use, what's it called? They have mag ult. I'm watching the kill cam. He's got the meatball, so be careful when you cloak ult. Stay kind of close to our mag or Ching, save the bubble.
They use Star-Lord
Yeah,
on
I'll
that
save
fight.
Yeah, Star-Lord. Huh? Did they use anything else? Did they use Spider-Man right there?
No, they use Rocket.
Rocket and, okay. They have Jeff now, so.
Spider-Man's looking for ult here.
I pulled him in. When you have a moment, Cook, can you top me off right there? Oh, remember. Jeff ult, Jeff ult.
No,
Yeah, they're gonna mind control you guys behind.
They look at me off the road, so you should
Magneto ult? That's Magneto ult?